To fix the issue of Netflix saying your device is not part of the household, start by understanding what this error means. This error typically occurs when Netflix detects that the device you are trying to use is not connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the account holder's primary device. First, ensure that your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the primary device associated with your Netflix account. If you are using a mobile device, check that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your home network. Next, check your Netflix account settings to ensure that the device you are trying to use is authorized. Sign in to your Netflix account on a computer or mobile device. Go to the account settings and look for the section on authorized devices. Make sure the device you are trying to use is listed and authorized. If the device is not listed, you can add it by clicking on the Add Device option and following the prompts. You may need to enter a verification code sent to the primary account holder's email or phone number. Another possible solution is to check your device's location settings. Netflix uses location data to determine if a device is part of the same household. Ensure that your device's location services are enabled and set to the correct location. If you are still having trouble, try restarting your device and router. This can often resolve connectivity issues and allow Netflix to recognize your device as part of the household. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact Netflix support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide additional guidance on how to fix the issue. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to resolve the issue of Netflix saying your device is not part of the household and enjoy uninterrupted streaming.